What is it about ATS that makes you guys unique and successful in working with companies that will be, engaging with us come September the 9th and 10th?
Sure. Yeah. What really sets us apart is that we're not just selling a bunch of software. We're really in it for the long haul with our clients. We take a consultative, down to earth approach and focus on what each business actually needs to improve, not just what kind of software can be sold. And for ATS, we truly, since 1986, we've been doing this. We bring a deep manufacturing know-how and can connect the dots across. We're planning and scheduling, MES-MOM, quality, supply chain, IT/OT integration, all those things to create real measurable outcomes. And because we've worked across so many industries for all of these years, we're able to bring best practices and practical insight to the table. At the end of the day, we're a partner helping manufacturers to grow smarter, not just adopt new tech for the sake of it.
Really strong partnership, right, between what you and what we do, and really having that cohesive unit. I mean, the attendees, I think, are going to be blown away by what they don't know, what they should know, and then, like you said earlier, how they can adopt the right solution, the right techniques, the right tips and tricks to go along their journey. That's just fantastic.